In this fall, when balance twirl, strange phenomena begin to occur. Freaks and halls start to appear, wanting around and around called Rise in the Morning! What is the shortest, boring day? Right, Hedgehog? I don't know. Save for the days of the cruise ship. You know what I'm gonna see you today? LOL. What? ROFL. Didn't I do that? See, Miss Witch. We could sit all day. Well, it's gonna be here. Right, Tuck? 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 Tuck! Tuck! Step out of it! Tuck! Papa! Oh no! It's fake! Oh, fake! Over here, thanks. Wait, Hedgehog? Huh? Where am I? Oh, it's you, by the way. Okay, I'll get a good prank for you. What is it? Like this? Oh! Oh, wait! Oh! How's day for the cruise ship? Get